Hey everyone, I'm Andrew and I'm part of the team here at Quo behind today's release, Sona for lead capture. I'm excited to show you how it works because I think a lot of you are going to get real use out of it. Right now in Quo, when a new lead texts your business or no one's free to reply, the message just sits there. And a lead that sits too long goes cold or moves on to the next business. But now, with Sona for lead capture, Sona can reply on its own, right from your business number. Let me show you how it works. Let's say a lead texts your team asking for a quote. It answers their questions, asks for the details you actually need, and keeps the conversation moving like a real teammate. When it's finished, it drops a clean summary into the thread, including the customer's name, number, what they need, and pings your team to follow up. And the same goes for missed calls. If the lead calls and you're not available to answer, Sona will follow up with the lead immediately. And you're never locked out. You can watch any conversation happen live and step in to take over whenever you want. And setting this up is really quick. You can point it at your website, answer a few quick questions about your business, and it's ready to go. Up until today, when a text turned into work, you basically had two options. Option one, answer everything yourself the second it comes in, nights and weekends included, or lose the lead to whoever replied faster than you. Option two, let leads trickle in and hope you circle back before the customer gives up on you. Either way, leads slip through, and you usually don't find out until the deal is already gone. Sona closes that gap. Every new text gets an instant on-brand reply. Every lead gets captured, and your team can see exactly who they need to follow up with. And right now, it's available in beta, free to use on any plan. So there's really no reason not to switch it on. Try Sona for lead capture today and let us know what you think.